I'm going to show you how to chat with Facebook support if you are probably having any issue or whatsoever. And also, if for some reason you can also receive call from Facebook support, and also they do not actually have a personal number you can contact them with, but they will also contact you if you request. So now the first method or the procedure to doing this is actually open the Facebook application. And I have done this multiple times, it works so well. So I am going to go to my personal account, not my page. Currently I'm on my page. This is my personal account. Now, quick information, before you do this, there is actually something that you need to do. Go to my profile area. Now you can notice I am verified. Now you only have this option if you are verified. If you do not have verification badge, you will not be able to do this. So the first thing you need to do is to buy this verification badge. Click on the three-dotted icon right here. You notice where it says meta verification. You click on that, and if you do not have it available, you are going to see an option to purchase it. But I have already purchased mine, so it's not going to show me an option to purchase. So after you might have purchased it, then you are going to see information or details like this. Now the next thing you need to do is to notice where it says enhanced support, right? This area right here, enhanced support. So on this area, only verified user that will be able to have access to that. So if you click on this, you are going to see that there will be option for you to, you notice right there, it says find answers to question, get help, troubleshooting your account, and all those stuff. And also it says resolve issues faster. You notice you can only have this option if you get a verified, but a non-verified user will take longer time, but a verified user will take faster. So this bottom area right here where it says contact, click on that, and then you are going to tell them exactly what the problem is. So I am going to say I have issue, but this is actually true. I really have issue with my Facebook page, not right. I really have a genuine question for them to answer, so that's the reason why I'm putting this up. So once you're done typing, you click on next. This is optional. If you have, you can upload the screenshot if you have it. So you notice it says select account you did like help with. This is the it's not showing right here, but anyway, I am just going to leave this on default because I am the admin of all these accounts. So I'm just going to do contact help. Now if you do not have a verified option or a verified badge, this is not going to be quick. So if you click on submit, they are going to respond to you, and most of the time if they respond to you and you are still having the issue, or rather the case, unresolved, they are going to call you on phone and make sure they help you with this. So this is actually how I have been contacting Facebook support. I have contacted them in the past and they were so helpful. At a point they had to call me on phone and it was resolved, and most of the time we just chat right here. So after all this, you are just going to wait it out, and a support is going to respond very soon and we'll start chatting. So guys, this is how you contact Facebook support. Let me know if this video helped you, but for me and a lot of people have actually helped, this was just the best way to contact Facebook support, and it is so helpful. So I hope you guys you notice somebody is already in the conversation. So I hope this video is helpful to so many of you guys. I wish it worked, and if it did, smash like, subscribe to the channel. You can also support me if you want to in any way you can, and I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.